Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make spiral coil in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Double click and go to sketch and click on sketch again, and from here select front plane. Now select line and draw line on line. Okay. Now draw another line. And another line. Now click this line, press on Ctrl. Now this line and this line, and make them equal. Okay, now go to smart dimension and okay, take this length 15. Now specify the angle between these two lines 120 degree, and the angle between these two lines also 120. Okay, now select circle. Now draw circle from this midpoint, one circle, now two circle, and now three circle. Okay, now select this circle, press on Ctrl, this circle and also this circle, and make them equal. Okay, make them equal. Okay, now select trim entities and now trim these things, trim the lines, only circles will be here. Okay, now select front plane and sketch. Okay, front plane and sketch, and click on space bar. Okay, now select spline and just draw spline. Okay, now go to features, select sweep, boss or base. Now select the circles and then this spline. Now go to options and from here select, okay, now this one, profile twist. Select specify twist value, then from here select revolutions, and from here let's put 5. So here we can see that 5 is more, so make it 4. Okay, let's apply 3. Okay, so this is our spiral coil. Now apply the material, go to material, edit material. Now from here go to rubber and select natural rubber, apply, close. Now from here go to edit appearance. Okay, now apply this one, and from here select green color. Okay, now change the background, rooftop. Okay, so this is our coil. So friends, if you think this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like comment and share my videos, and if you have any question you can ask that in the comment box. Thank you.